The new Mini John Cooper Works hatch. The 2-litre 4-cylinder engine produces over 231 bhp, 380 newton-meters of torque, and 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.9 seconds, with a top speed of 155 miles per hour. Pricing starts from £31,200 RRP. The new Mini John Cooper Works Convertible, the 2-litre 4-cylinder engine produces over 228 bhp, 380 newton-meters of torque, and 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.2 seconds, with a top speed of 152 miles per hour. Pricing starts from £35,200 RRP. The new John Cooper Works models receive a dual-clutch automatic transmission and enhanced suspension to increase handling ability and dynamic acceleration. The Mini John Cooper Works comes standard with 17 JCW sprint spoke alloy wheels in black, chili red exterior paint, and an aerodynamically shaped rear spoiler. 18 JCW lap spoke two-tone wheels and 6 other body colours are optional. The Mini John Cooper Works Convertible is standard with chili red exterior paint, 17. JCW sprint spoke alloy wheels and a choice of 7 additional body colours optionally, including model-exclusive Cooper Grey. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest Mini news and reviews.